quarter of the audience that time. So we're building, we're making progress. We went from 3 to a quarter, so I have to ask again. So good morning. How are you guys doing? Fair, good, or great? That didn't quite hit it still. I mean, that great was kind of mediocre, right? It's not going to launch us into today. So usually you strike out 3 times. We have to go a 4th time this morning. It might have been the rain or something. So how are you guys doing? Fair, good, or great? That's more like it. We could have gone 2 more levels up, but we'd be here all day, right? But I will take this one. That was definitely a fairly good one. Okay. So we're going to continue today with 2 important sessions. We are going to be discussing about the holistic development of educators and students. And we will also be discussing the idea of educators as moral and innovative leaders. So that's the program for today. Vince was taking us through a quick review. I'm not going to go into it in detail here, but just a big point from yesterday was, taking a serious constructive look at our system, at this sector, the education sector, the one that we're all driving here, right? And that the model, the industrialized model, is still with us today in 2024. It's quite unbelievable. It's an upside-down pyramid. It's not effective. It's not actually achieving the outcomes that society, that parents want, right? And, the reason you're here today, the reason you're in this workshop is not just to be entertained, right? Okay, this is an interesting idea, but it's a call to action that you're actually being called as leaders to step up and help actually get the word out, convene if you're a school head like James is here today. We talked about it this morning. So one of the things James is going to do is convene a meeting with his faculty, right? And bring them through this process, what he learned in these 3 days. So if you're any kind of a leader here, this is a call. You should write this down, the action following this workshop, right? So this is I'm going to be giving you assignments, right? So this is a core assignment, right? And to join us in driving this campaign. So this is going to be actually, we need your help. You have to understand you're needed, right? There's not many times we're needed in this world, right? But actually now you are needed. Every single person in this room, you are needed, right? Everyone here is needed to actually transform this system. And essentially, when we use the word transformation, we're talking about the transformation of what? Can anyone answer? What are we transforming fundamentally? No, that we're transforming the education sector, but more essentially, what are we transforming? The people, exactly. The real name of this campaign is Transforming People, right? If you are an astute student, based on what you heard yesterday, that's actually the focus of